Next up, Upgraded Arsenal for Redacted Season 3 DMZ. In this, we need to attach a suppressor onto a weapon at a workbench, kill 9 cartel members or AQ soldiers with a suppressed weapon, and finally extract with 2 suppressed weapons in one deployment. Obviously, this last one is easiest if you go in with 2 suppressed weapons, assuming you've already customized the weapon in the DMZ, otherwise taking a weapon that you can attach a silencer onto, such as this extra tack over here. So without further ado, let's just confirm and hop in. So there we go, just killing some enemies in game. There's already 3, taking us to 5 out of 9. It's very easy to progress on this mission. And we've now completed the second part, kill 9 cartel or AQ soldiers with a suppressed weapon, obviously the easiest to do if you go in with one. Alright, so to attach a suppressor to a weapon, we need to navigate to any buy station on the map, and of course, take a weapon with you that can have a suppressor attached to it. Alright, so approaching the buy station here, somewhere nearby to a buy station, you should see a small workbench, such as this one here. We can upgrade weapons by interacting with it. Select a weapon that doesn't have a suppressor, such as this one here, head to muzzle, and underneath it we should be able to customize things here. So we can buy a suppressor. So if we click one, it'll then be attached, and just like that, we've now unlocked it for this weapon, and we can swap between that and the previous setup quite easily. Anyway, beyond this, scrolling to it, it now has a suppressor that's functioning, and that's really about it. Everything works as you'd hope, and of course, the first part of the mission is done. All that's left to do is now extract with 2 suppressed weapons. Because I came in with one and picked up and modified a weapon here to have a silencer, all we need to do is just extract now. Nothing too crazy, it's just a matter of surviving. And obviously you don't need to do all of these in one mission. If you're incredibly unlucky and you need to come in with 2 silenced weapons, then extract straight away. That is something you can do if you just need to finish the last bit. Alright, there we go, we can now extract, and of course the last bit for Upgraded Arsenal will then complete as soon as we have. There we go, now complete. Anyways, thank you all for watching, my name is BTroubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.